Hello! Welcome to another episode of Slumbox Series. Kasama natin ang ating birthday girl, si Bea Binena.
Hi!
And dahil mag-18th birthday na siya, syempre tatanungin natin siya ng ating ang ating famous Slumbox questions na tingin natin naman kaya-kaya niya sagutin, di ba? Okay, sige, ready ka na. First question, define love.
Love is a bittersweet journey, but it should make you happy.
Oh, okay. Next, favorite food.
Favorite food, lahat. Except I don't eat okra, I don't eat munggo, I don't eat talong, and I don't eat kamatis. Pero lahat.
Okay.
At saka hindi lang ako makain ng mga liver. Pero Japanese food, American burger, pizza, pasta, everything. I can eat that.
So, well, kung bibigyan kita ng tatlong food. Japanese, Italian, Filipino.
Naku po! Mahirap po maili lahat.
Okay. Sige, lahat na natin. Next, who's your favorite celebrity na local and foreign?
Walang local actually.
Okay.
Foreign, celebrity like singer, actress.
Kahit
Singer, Taylor Swift, Maroon 5,
okay.
Ed Sheeran,
Wow, singers talaga.
tsaka Demi or Selena Gomez.
Oh.
Yung artista naman, yung actress, I like Anne Hathaway and Angelina Jolie.
Nice choice. So next, what's your favorite song of this year? For this year?
Song of this year?
Dami
Ano to? Wildest Dreams
Taylor
and
Swift.
Lay Me Down ni Sam Smith.
Oh, na magko-concert din sa November.
Talaga ba? So, and si Ed Sheeran, Don't.
Okay. Nice. So next, favorite game. Pwedeng video game, pwedeng
Ito.
Ayun, kita-kita natin.
I play COC na.
Ah!
So, yun. Clash of Clans. Tapos, meron yun, Zigzag. Parang, low-bad na kasi ako, pero sobrang simple lang niya. Parang ganyan lang. Ay, game over agad. Parang ganyan lang. Tapos, zigzag mo lang siya. Dahil ganyan.
Anong pangalan ng game?
Zigzag.
Yeah, Zigzag.
And Clash of Clans.
Oh, okay. So, may clan ka? May
clan na ako. Ma-attack na ako.
Okay, next. Favorite movie?
Favorite movie of all time?
Pwede naman.
Local meron, One More Chance. Tsaka,
Okay.
yung foreign, sobrang naiyak ako sa The Vow.
Oh, nice. So, next naman. Favorite cartoon character?
Si Stitch, tsaka si Hello Kitty. So, pwede rin sila Mickey Mouse. Pwede.
So, may stuffed toy ka ng
Meron.
So, ito. Next. Top 3 bucket list. Number 1.
Bucket list. Number 1. Pwedeng travel the world or kailangan may specific country.
Ito.
At least, visit at least 3 countries a year.
Okay.
And then, I need to have my own business.
Oh, may naisip ka na bang
Coffee shop,
klase?
gusto mo ganun.
Nice.
And then, gusto kong makapag-skydiving.
Oh. Pwede. Well, pwede na.
Pwede na.
So next, ano na ba yun? 1? Nakatatlo na ba tayo?
Tatlo na. Travel the
Okay.
world, business, and then skydiving.
Yeah. And speaking of business, since gusto mo ng coffee shop, ano yung favorite mong dessert? Na pwedeng
Crepe.
crepe. Anong
Crepe.
klaseng crepe? Maraming crepe.
Yung
Mango
crepe,
crepe?
mango with Nutella crepe. Tapos, tsaka milk chocolate. Kahit anong milk chocolate.
Nice. Ako nakakagutom na. Next, favorite subject?
Ay!
School.
Kahit ano, basta di math. Hindi, siguro English. Dati nung nasa homeschool ako, gusto ko yung science. Pero, hindi na ngayon. Sumakit na yung ulo ko, so ayoko na sa kanya.
Okay.
English, I think. English or... Yun yung sa mga basic ka. Yun. English.
Okay. So next, punta naman tayo sa music.
Okay.
So what musical instrument ang gusto mong matutunan?
Guitar. Sinubukan ko pero nabigo ako.
Oh?
Pinaasa niya lang ako.
May nagtuturo ba sa'yo ng guitar?
Nag-guitar lessons ako.
Ah.
Pero, actually, kasi ang tanga ko, hindi naman pero, kasi musically declined ako. So, kahit yung strumming,
Okay.
hindi ko kaya mag-strum. Kaya ko yung chords, pero yung strumming, hindi ko kaya. So, yun.
Siguro, pag may
More,
time ka naman.
more lessons.
O tsaka more time. Kasi, tiyagaan din naman eh.
Yes.
So next. Okay. So, nandito tayo sa final question natin. So, what's your favorite quote or Bible verse? Anything na parang motivational sa'yo, na parang yun ang motto in life mo?
My favorite quote is expect the unexpected. That's it. Wow.
Simple pero malalim. So again, thank you very much
Thank
for
you
being
po.
here.
Thank you.
And can you please invite everyone to watch your show, Legally?
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ayun, guys, please do watch Legally B every Saturdays, 11:30 a.m. on GMA News TV, Channel 11. Vampire ang daddy ko every Sunday. Every Sunday, 6:45 p.m. on GMA. At Good News kasama si Miss Vicky Morales every Monday, 8:10 p.m. on GMA News TV, Channel 11. And follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Bea Binene. And my Facebook page, facebook.com/Bea Binene Online. Takits!
Okay, thank you very much. And again, this is another episode of Slumbook Series. Bye-bye!